8-year-old girl gang raped by 4 people. So they are in a stage of continuous depression and they won't come out. When we age और हमारे साथ कुछ होता है हम संभलना शायद जानते हैं 6 साल 8 साल 9 साल 15 साल की उम्र में ऐसा कुछ होता है the scar remains for life. You know, you start questioning humanity. What nonsense is this going on? Our main right now we are very much focused is with sexually abused girl child. So these are our communities whom we train, who produce and we buy back.
So for example, sex workers or transgenders, why would they want to work? They earn a lot more through whatever they do. For them, it's not like good, bad, healthy, unhealthy. उनके लिए सब कुछ सेम है. और अगर आप उनको एक अच्छा प्रॉपर वेल एजुकेशन जॉब दे रहे, फिर भी उनको लगेगा कि ये वेस्ट है ये सब. मेरे को जो आता है मैं उसमें ज़्यादा कमा रही हूँ.
Despite multiple counselings also, they don't. They tend to go back to their trade. So this is not a motivation because money is less.
Let's talk a little bit about bamboo houses. कौन लेता है bamboo houses? Like अगर मुझे भी घर बनाना है, why should I, like, is not attractive, like as compared to modern houses?
It's the world's best natural building material. The tensile strength is higher than steel. So we saw a video where a bull was being operated and plastic was removed from its stomach. But okay, plastic waste hai, can we really do something with the waste? Till that time we had no idea कि plastic waste होता है. We went to the municipal dumping grounds where पूरे हैदराबाद का जहाँ कचरा गिरता है. Then we made recycled plastic ball panels. That got picked up by BBC. Then World Economic Forum came down. Then we had Russian, French, all the newspapers come. Finally, it got into the eyes of United Nations. They said, okay, this can be a globally replicable model for low-cost housing in the world.
So जब ये 60 लाख का डेट हुआ, आप जब 3 साल के बाद वापस आए, bankruptcy sort of hit हुआ, how was that period?
Yeah, it was the most toughest part because 3 टाइम का खाना 2 टाइम हो गया, 2 टाइम से 1 टाइम हो गया, फिर 2 दिन में 1 बार हो गया. When you're going through a phase of stress and depression, भूख नहीं लगता था.